Hi, I'm Peter.
Hey everyone, I'm Henry. My name is Matthew Zink. Say my favorite aspect doing this project is putting in the altar. The nativity set is amazing. And I think just like the lights over it, or just the cherry on top, it was really cool.
I like the ambo a lot. I think it's impressive.
The ambo was kind of cool.
A lot of good speeches and homilies will be given there.
That was probably the object we put in the easiest. Working with the grinder to kind of shave down the surfaces of the marble was definitely a little bit tricky when you first get started, kind of getting it level so that it slides perfectly into the rock.
The gantry, that was really cool, using mechanical lifting instead of muscles.
The team was just great.
Steve's great, Baker Studio's great. It's all great.
Steve Baker and all the work he's done in his life to kind of create this company and put in churches all around the US. It's really been great working with them, meeting the team. Probably just meeting the team. The team was really cool, being very meticulous, detail-oriented, and knowing that masses will be said here 4 times a day during the school year. I couldn't be more happy to be a part of it.